The reason why most people lose out in cryptocurrency most of the time is because of lack of understanding. I'm talking about basic understanding of the financial market and how it works. Let me show you what I mean by that. As you guys can see from my screen here, okay, I'm sharing with my screen with you guys right now. Okay, as you can see from here, let me just look at, okay, let's start from the recent one here.
You are watching Obicrypto, subscribe
and then
now.
we'll go back and do further analysis deeper so that you guys will understand what I'm saying. Please pay attention to this particular video, because guys, this is exactly the reason why a lot of people give up on cryptocurrency and they lose their money. Sometimes they wonder why immediately they put their money into cryptocurrency, that is when the market will begin to crash. And before you know, maybe you put 10 million naira and the market has crashed down, you have lost like 3 million naira. At 7 million, you will just, out of fear, you will sell and leave the market. And funny enough, when you leave the market, that is when the market will start going back up again and you'll start regretting. So I just want to explain this thing. What I want to do in this video is to give you guys a very simple basics on how you can understand the market and you'll be able to build your confidence, right, in the cryptocurrency market. Not even just the cryptocurrency market, be it forex or wherever market that you find yourself. So please walk with me, guys. Now let's do this. Okay, I'm sure you guys can see my screen here. Now I'm going to put a line here, right? And if we put this line here, okay, at what price are you seeing there? Look at this particular black the black highlighted figure there. You are seeing $26,506, right? This is exactly the price of Bitcoin on this particular date, right? So I'm going to keep it there. Good. Now what we're going to do here is that, okay, let's pick this particular tool. We're going to do this, right? Now imagine at this particular top here, okay, I'm talking about here where you can see my cursor now, right? At this particular level, let's pick another line. Let's put the line here, right? Let's bring it to the extreme end here. Now look at it now, okay? At this particular level, now from it started here, right? And the price was what? Was what? 26,500, right? And it went up to this particular place, and at this particular level, what was the price there? $73,000. Are you paying attention? Now watch this. Let's bring this thing down. Now look at this data page here appearing just above this graph I just plotted right now. Look at it. What we have selected from this place to this top here, because what we are looking for is this part. We are looking from here, the lowest point here, right, to the highest point it got to, which is here, right? That's what we are paying attention to. Are you working with me? Now look at what happened. It took Bitcoin 151 days to create 151 bars. Okay, mind you, we are using the daily candle, so each of these bar that you see like this represent activities for one day. So it took 151 days and it created 151 bars for Bitcoin to move from what price? From this price of $26,000 to $73,000. That is like 3 times, more than 3 times, or perhaps I should say 3 times your money. It took 151 days to go that high, right? Okay. Now I'm going to delete this very big, this gigantic arrow. I'm going to remove it. Now pay attention to what I'm going to do next. Now I'm going to pick this from here, okay, down to where it is right now. Okay. Now what I want you to pay attention to is that this second bar that we just created now, this second chart we just created, this one has taken 152 days so far. 152 days, and look at what has happened. Please pay attention to this, is critical. Now this is where Bitcoin started from here, right, to this top here, the price, right, which is 27,000, approximately 26,000 or thereabout. Let's just call it 27,000 to what? 73,000, right? It grew to this particular point in 151 days. Now from that day it has been crashing down. So far so good. It has taken 152 days. But what has happened in 152 days? Bitcoin has only come to this level. Please pay attention. Look at this here. Look at, can you see the, I'm going to delete this particular arrow. Please pay attention here. Okay, I'm going to expand this a little bit. Pay attention. Can you see this red candle here coming down? Right, look at it right below this blue line here. Can you see that? All right, good. Now let's adjust this thing back. And sorry. Okay, just work with me, guys. Now look at what we are going to do now. We'll pick this arrow again. Okay, from this peak price here where Bitcoin got to, down to where it is currently as of today, right? Take a good look at that. Bitcoin has only crashed from here to here, which is from 73 down to 49. Can you see it? From 73 down to 49. And how many days is that? 152 days. Now, it took Bitcoin just 151 days to grow from 26,000 to 73,000. Now it has been over 152 days and Bitcoin has only crashed barely half of the journey so far. Bitcoin has only come down from that 73 down to 49. Now, even if we decide to say let's not consider this to be 152 days, let's even put it as equal as the same 151 days. It took you 151 days to grow 300%. And when you were crashing down during your downfall, you only went the same 151 days, you only went down halfway. I don't know if whether you are reasoning what I'm reasoning, but just follow me, okay? I'm going to take you guys further. Let me give you more illustration. Okay, now this is another place we can do further illustration. Okay, yes, let's take it this way. Now look at this. All right, Bitcoin as of this day, in fact, let me not even start from this particular the bottom here. Let's start from here, right? As of this day here, right? I'm going to draw this line. I'll place it here. Now if you look at the price here, that's around 16,488, right? Can you see that there in the blue highlighted figures? 16,488. Perfect, good, no problem. Let's proceed now. And Bitcoin got to this particular height here. Okay, we can put here, or let's just even use this first one, because this is the first, this region here is the first high that we went to. So let's even work with this one. So I'm going to put the line here from here to here. Okay, all right, so now we have this particular region selected. Please watch me, right? So let's pick this our price range. We'll pick it from the bottom here, right? From the bottom here, and then we'll take it to the top here where Bitcoin got, you know, where, as in the exact place where Bitcoin made it to the very first highest price. Forget about this place here. Let's just work with here. Now it took Bitcoin how many days? Let's count the bars. It took Bitcoin 131 bars, approximately 131 days, to move from what price? Look at it, from 16,500 to what price here? Let's bring that. Let's pick that. Okay, it took Bitcoin 138 days to move from here. Look at it, $16,000 to $64,000. That is more than 4 times, 400% in profit. It took Bitcoin 138 days to do that. Now watch me now. Now when Bitcoin wanted to crash, okay, what happened? We'll pick the price range again. We'll pick it from this top, right? Now look at it, because this is here, this spot here, this is exactly where Bitcoin made it crash back to that particular region. Now I think I'm going to change the inner color to maybe yellow. Let's make it yellow now. Good. Watch me now. Okay. So watch what I'm doing right now here in this video. Now watch here. It took Bitcoin 138 days to make it from 16,000 to 64,000. And when it was time for Bitcoin to fall down, to crash, it took Bitcoin from this particular high here to this particular low here, because this is exactly where it started from. Mind you, it started from 16,000, right? And then it went up, and then now it came back to the same 16,000 at this particular point here. Are you getting me? Now look at what we are seeing here. It took Bitcoin 586 days to destroy all the growth it has made. You grew up in 138 days, and it took you 586 days to destroy everything back to zero. Now, what point am I making here? The point that I'm making right here is that when the bull market wants to start, bro, you will not have enough time to jump into the market. Because when the bull market wants to start, it doesn't seek permission or validation from anybody. It can, within a week, within 7 days, or within 10 days, or within 30 days or 60 days, Bitcoin can jump from $1,000 to $100,000. Then if it wants to crash down, it might take 700 days to crash down. Are you getting me? The point I'm trying to tell you here is that the privilege to enjoy the bull market, the opportunity window or the opportunity gap is not big. I don't know if you're getting what I'm saying. The opportunity gap to enjoy benefit of the bull market is not big. Look at it now. Only 138 days to go 4x, and it's taking a very long time to crash down. Are you getting what I'm saying? So whatever it is that you want to do, grab the opportunity to jump into the market on time. Some of you right now are using your money to do other things because you feel, oh, when the bull market starts, I will come back into Bitcoin. You may not catch up. I am telling you, you may not catch up. When Bitcoin wants to go bullish, you may not catch up. I know some of you will be like, no, if Bitcoin is crashing, it crash very fast. I have just proven to you that it doesn't crash as fast as much as it goes up. The speed of crashing is not as high as the speed of rising, especially in a bullish market. So whatever it is you are doing with your money on other project or other business or other things, pay attention to this. That when the bull market wants to take place, it will not give you sign, and you might miss out. Perhaps maybe not miss out on everything, but you miss out on a very substantial amount of money in profits. Okay, I am not asking you to put your money. This is not a financial advice, but I'm just telling you how the market works.
This is not a financial advice. Do your own research.
Okay, I have been around the block for too long, and I have seen things in the financial market. I am giving you free experience, free knowledge with what I have learned. And these things, I did not just learn them by watching. These are things I have learned by making and losing money, losing money and making them back. And that's why I'm giving you guys this knowledge. All right, so do whatever you want to do with this information. Obicrypto, I love you guys. See you in the next video. Over and out. Follow the channel if you have not done that.
Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. Yeah, let's just be real.
You are watching Obicrypto. Subscribe now.
This is not a financial advice. Do your own research.